Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted anything on this channel. Been paying more attention to my electronics channel, and I decided maybe this month we'll order a kit and see if we can get this e-bike or this road bike finished. I actually found something that I can use. Not to pay for it myself, obviously. I'm not going to get it given to me as a review, and I'm not going to do a review for the seller on the Amazon. I won't even share the link. You can do your own research on that. But it comes with a small hub motor. It's about 250 watt. The one I'll be picking up is a 48 volt. I wouldn't go any lower than that with a 250 watt because it would be so underpowered. It also comes with brake levers, which I'll never use. It comes with throttle, thumb throttle, and a really funny dash there. It goes from what, 55 to 41 miles an hour. Yeah, good luck with that. The controller, from what I can tell, says the rated current is 7 amp, which would probably, Jesus Christ, dude, would probably last quite a while on that new battery I just built that's lithium ion. So we might be using that. I also have one that's rated for 20 amp. We'll try that. Might give it a little bit more boost. It also comes with a pedal assist. I'll definitely be using that. I'm not even too sure if I'm going to be using the throttle or what, but we'll see how it goes. But the thing that's really cool about this kit is one thing that's a major pain is when you order up a hub motor like this for your wheel, is trying to figure out the spoke length, because you'll have to measure from the flange to the rim. And for somebody who's not used to building wheels, that can be a bit of a pain in the butt. But you can actually order this kit. Like this one's here is for a 700C. But you can get it for a 26-inch, 27-inch, whatever you want. And you just basically have to lace it in and true it up. It's ready to go. I don't think it's going to get better than this. This is exactly what I want. It's a hub motor. It's not something that's rubbing against the tire or anything like that. It's legit. The one I'll be getting is for the rear. Probably the only thing I'll have to change on the bike is I'll have to change the cassette, because the one I'll be getting has the built-in cassette, not this one here where it's threaded. So I'll have to change the cluster, but that's all right. It looks like a decent kit. Like I said, the only thing I won't be using is likely the brakes and the thumb throttle. I would like to make a throttle on the side of the brake hood to make it a little bit more neater. I don't think I could get that thumb throttle on the bike in a way that would be neat. Well, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so this is what we'll be doing for April. We'll do a review on it, and then we'll test it and maybe I wouldn't say overbuilt it, but I'm definitely going to change the controller to a 20 amp. I think it'd be better. 7 amp seems a little weak for even a small hill. So anyway, I think I figured I'd give you an update when I order it. We'll get started. Later, guys.